Sure, kita na ba siya?
Ito yung pilot, ito yung pilot.
Pero sinabi nila may explosion, initial explosion bago bumagsak, no? In fact, kami sa Recon came here on about 45 minutes after na, no? So, pero as per information ng mga kasamahan dito, talagang sa rescue operation, wala nang rescue operation na nangyari. Bumagsak, sunog ang lahat ng mga bodies.
Okay, thank you. By 7:20.
Flying 410. Please board the aircraft.
May doktor na siya? Kasi magtatawag sa lahat.
Oo, sorry, lalapas na muna ako kasi mas...
It's going to be too early for us to be able to speculate on what happened on the cause. I think we should wait for the appropriate report from the ATO, although it is indicated on the record that the pilot asked for another chance to approach the runway because of low cloud cover. Whether that is the cause or there's something else has yet to be determined. In the meantime, I think we will leave that to the Air Transport Office to find out what happened.
Yeah.
Pero ang importante na ate cross. Check. Then ang kurente na din nga.
Bala. Leleog na lang. Stand by on shooting. condition of the box, sir?
It's okay. The box is actually fireproof. It's waterproof, so it's impact proof. So I think we can recover the data.
Sir.
Ikaw.
So, kung pwede sa baba muna tayo, no? Para mo. Out muna po tayo dito sa stage.
White floral drawing. Ano po ito?
Mayroon silang paraan, yung mga iba unrecognized. So, it needs further, siguro yan, examination.
Di ko klaro ami di gyud na mo maklaro ba kay pertin sunuga. Ang mga naong sunog kayo. Nya usahay way kamot. Way maglisod gyud mi klaro sa among kuan akong pamangkin. Kanang duha ron. Kanang duha.
Paluto ng buwan, pinitagas na.